Hi Hub fans, I'm the PC Expert Amateur, and this is the review of the EJAY 4 USB 3.0 port hub with a mag dock rail. This is the box. It doesn't actually have a brand on it. Here are the specs. And, well, this is my second EJAY hub. The first EJAY hub was pretty flaky, and let me show you this before I tell you what my experience was with this. So it's got this removable rail, which you could mount on something using those two holes, and it comes with the two screws. And then it also has neodymium magnets here so that you can just have it hanging on something like that. On the back side, it has DC in as well as host in. And on the front side are 4 USB-A ports. Now, there are a couple of cables that it comes with. This one, just USB-A to USB-C, is for power. So it goes in the DC in. And once you've got that plugged in, you'll see that there's a light there. The other one goes to the host in. And this is supposed to be the data cable. It includes an adapter for USB-C to USB-A. And that gets plugged into host in. So very simple, right? This doesn't have any direct power source, although you could plug it into, say, a phone charger and run it that way instead of having it just running off the power from the computer. Unfortunately, I can't recommend this because my experience with this was worse than the last one. The last one, I could at least sometimes get it to work. Sometimes I could get data transfers to work, but it tended to cause some problems at other times. And so eventually I just unplugged it from my computer, and now I just use it as a source of power for devices that need to be charged. Or something where they don't need to do any kind of data transfer. And that is because it just was so unreliable, and sometimes it would screw up the way my computer was operating, and so I just got tired of it. And this one, I don't have that problem because I'm not going to use it. And the reason I'm not going to use it is when I tried to use this one, I could not get the cable to work with my computer. I mean, the data cable did not allow the hub to see the device that I plugged in when I was using the cable plugged. Same kind of cable, but the USB-A part did not allow data transfer. When I disconnect this and plug this into USB-C, it does work. I find this very, very irritating. Why would you buy an adapter that will not allow data transfer on a cable that is for data transfer? It makes no sense. So I guess if you need a hub, you could potentially decide to just have this plugged into USB-A and throw away this adapter because it's garbage, or find a different brand and a different product. And since this is the second EJAY product that I've had a problem with, my recommendation is just don't buy EJAY products. And if EJ is watching this, I mean, seriously, this is the second failed hub from you guys. Get your act together. Fix this. It irritates me. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.
I need to ask for your help. Things have been challenging. Whose life hasn't been challenging lately? So if you can please help me out by liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, and turning on notifications, that would be really, really super. Also, if you'd like to help me financially and you can't afford to, you can do a super thanks on my Glenn's Fast Reviews channel, or you can become a member there. Or if you prefer, you can go to patreon.com/GLENNMII and become a member there instead. Also, I'd like to give a shout out to Bleeping Computer for their support of my channel. If you need resources for computers, for getting rid of malware and learning about cybersecurity and stuff, Bleeping Computer, BLEEPING computer.com is a great resource. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.